Welcome back. I have something exciting for you. Are you a mom and you've been spoon feeding your baby and now it's time for them to feed themselves? Well, these little pouches here are gonna save the day. Okay, so these are awesome. Of course, naturally, I got these off Amazon. So there's a little look at them right here. These are called Hippopotamus. There's 12 reusable squeeze pouches in this brilliant little box. They come in these cute little designs. I got the llama design, and there's actually 3 different little llama designs within this pack. Again, 12 total, so 4 of each design. Super cute, neutral palette for a boy, which I love. Okay, the beauty about these, a fun way to snack healthy, right? These are non-toxic, eco-friendly, kid-friendly design. Homemade fillings can go inside the pouch. More about that. If you make your own healthy food pouches with homemade fruits, vegetables, purees, smoothies, yogurts, and more, you can fill the pouch using the zipper opening, okay? These are dishwasher and freezer safe, okay? So super easy to clean. It has a wide zipper opening and it allows for easy cleaning, and you can use a bottle brush, and I'll get into the cleaning later. But first, let me demo how do we fill these pouches, right? Hey, Mama Goals gang, if you've been enjoying any of my content that I've been putting out, I've been trying to listen to what you guys want to see and giving you exactly what you need. It's that content on demand action. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Now's the time. The algorithm needs to see some interest so that it can push these videos to you, and you won't miss a video if you hit that bell. You'll always be notified when I drop a video. I'm dropping them on a daily basis. I'm doing that challenge. So go ahead and hit the like button if this was helpful to you, and I hope it is. All right, later. So you can actually get these from the grocery store already filled, pre-filled with products from different companies. But isn't it nice that you can make your own baby's food, know exactly what's in it, and then be able to put it in a pouch that's reusable, and you don't have to keep buying them over and over again. So I'm going to show you how. It's super simple. I have a 1/3 measuring cup. I'm actually going to fill 2 of these up. So let's get rid of one of them. Okay, I also love the fact that there's a little window in the front so you can actually see what you filled the pouch with. So it actually comes with this unscrewable top here. Okay, so we're going to screw that on nice and tight, and you actually turn it upside down. So upside down, you're going to find at the bottom your zipper pouch opening. And it's a pretty small opening, but just big enough for you to put your healthy homemade foods in. This is actually a big batch of applesauce that I made for my little guy. He absolutely loves it. He's actually, pro tip, don't hold this here. You want to stabilize it. So I'm going to put this down here. But he's been eating and enjoying his applesauce since about 5 months of age, and he is 15 months and still really enjoying it. I think about half a cup is usually what fits in here pretty good, but you just want to experiment with it. You're not going to get it right the first time. I certainly didn't the first couple times, but it's just that simple. So I'm going to close my opening, flip it around. I kind of shake it down, unscrew the top, and hand it off to your little guy or little girl. It's just that simple. Okay, now I have to warn you, the first time your little one starts to experiment with these, it might get messy, but they really do get the hang of it pretty quickly. Around the 3rd time that I gave these to him, he was kind of a pro at it, and there wasn't as much spillage as I was kind of noticing the first couple times. So these are really great. So I just filled this up with applesauce. I'm gonna set that off to the side. Now, I haven't actually filled the pouches up with yogurt yet, but today's my day to try. So I'm actually going to grab a spoon because he really enjoys this yogurt. This is by Oikos, the 000 high protein yogurt. It comes in really yummy flavors like strawberry, mixed berry, vanilla. And so he loves it. At least he goes through one of these a day, right? Okay, so I'm excited to get these in a pouch so I don't have to feed it to him anymore. Let's give this a little stir. We're gonna open up our pouch again. Just grab a huge heaping tablespoon and let's see if we can just kind of strategically drop it in. Now this one is gonna get a little messier, but that's okay. We can literally run some water over that bottom part, clean it up, and we're good to go. So that was 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna drop in a third. Okay, this might actually be able to hold about 4 tablespoons. So I'll let you know. All right, so that's that. Okay, yeah, it is a little messier, I have to say, but we're gonna clean it up, no worries. No mess and no stress. So I just Ziplocked the bottom and just, ran some water over it and got rid of all the excess. Okay, and dry it up. Turn it upside down, unscrew the top, give it to your little guy, and you're done. These are so amazing. I can't say it enough. Again, I did get these off Amazon. The brand is Hippopotamus. They're these cute little reusable squeeze pouches. So I'll set that right here so you can check those out some more. And you know what? I got the link for you. It's down in the description. So now that you know how to fill these things, you probably want to know, well, how much cleaning is involved? Is this going to be like more work for me than feeding him spoon-fed? So I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to clean these things. Okay, I'm back. Now, the secret to cleaning one of these pouches after your little one is done eating their, applesauce, their yogurt, whatever homemade filling you put inside of this thing, is you need a bottle brush. Now, I have this super cute set of bottle brushes. Here's your traditional size brush. Here's your tiny one for the little nipple part of the bottle. Here's this extremely tiny one, which I haven't really used a whole lot. And then there was this one that I never used. And until now, it literally is my favorite brush and it fits perfectly inside of this pouch. So after he's done, what I do is I run this top part that his mouth is on under warm to hot water, and then I scrub that part, right? And then rinse it off. And then you open up your pouch and I let that same warm to hot water run in there. I plug up this part, let the whole thing fill up with water, put a little bit of Dreft dish soap in there, just a touch. And then I take this brush and it fits perfectly inside of these corners. You really do need a brush similar to this, a rounded brush that gets in the corners. And then again, run some water through that, rinse it. And then what I do is I throw it on one of my little sprig tree bottle rack drying branches, and it dries out perfectly. So this thing could not be easier. If you want to knock all these out, fill up all your pouches on a Sunday night, you can literally have homemade fillings in a pouch the whole week long. It just could not get easier than this. I love that these are environmentally friendly. So eco-friendly, kid-friendly. Again, you can put all types of stuff in there. Your homemade purees, veggies, fruits, smoothies, chia pudding. You just saw I put yogurt and applesauce in there, and much, much more. I'm sure you can come up with a ton of ideas for these pouches. They're, again, easy to clean. And again, if you're interested in the pouches, I'll put the link below. These are from Amazon. If you're interested in these particular set of bottle brushes, which again, your ideal pouch brush is in here. There's 4 brushes in this, and I think the set is super cute. It's got a little cactus, Arizona desert vibe going on, which I think these pair nicely with this as far as design wise. If you care about the aesthetics of your home, you want something kind of cute, interesting, a talking conversation piece, whatever, This also came from Amazon. So I'll link all 3 of these down below. And I hope that you try it. I hope this is a time saver for you. Making momming easy is my goal. And I'm so excited to display and share these and demo these with you guys. All right, happy feeding. Bye, mamas. Woo!